This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. Let us look at the current trend of the market and find the present resistance and support levels for the current price action. Please use these levels as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exits. It's not a trading advice. When we look at the economic event calendar for today is Thursday, May 12th, and we have lots of low impacting news coming up. At 8:30 AM we have medium impacting news on New Zealand dollar. At 11:30 AM we have medium impacting news coming up on British pound related currency pairs. Then at 6 PM we have high impacting news coming up on US dollar currency pairs. Otherwise we have only low impacting news. So plan all your trades based on this economic calendar news schedule. Let us start with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, previously it went high, then from there it started falling on a bearish trend reversal, then it took support around the area of 1682, then it bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. It found a very strong resistance around the resistance level of 1930. Then it bounced back on a bearish trend reversal and took support at the same level where it took support in the past and bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. So from this we understand that it formed into a double bottom pattern, and currently when we look at the price action from this resistance level where it took resistance in the past also, it started falling on a bearish trend reversal. So since in the past it has formed a double bottom pattern, this level is the neck level of the double bottom pattern, and when we compare the current price action with this neck level, previously the price action has consolidated and was not able to break this support zone, and finally it went on a bullish trend reversal, then broke this support zone. So presently the price action has broken this neck level, and in daily time frame the price action is in a bearish trend reversal. But has the bearish trend reversal really started? For that we have to draw the trend line to check the current trend of the price action. So I am drawing a support line over here. So according to this support line or trend line, we can notice that currently the price action is taking support on this trend line. So as long as this trend line is holding, it is still trading on a bullish trend. But overall when we look at the price action, it has broken the neck level of the double bottom pattern. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance zone and trade above this resistance level, it will be a bounce back on a bearish trend reversal. So overall it will be a continuation of the bearish trend. So this trend line is very important support point for the current price action. If this is broken, we can see a further fall in gold. And when we analyze the next level of support, I am using the Fibonacci's retracement tool. So next level of support is going to be around 1760 if this trend line is broken in daily time frame. So these are all the present resistance and support levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, when we look at the price action, it came on a bearish trend reversal and it took consolidation around the support and resistance level of 1920 to 1959. Then it went on a bullish trend reversal. Currently when we notice a price action, it is on a very strong bearish trend reversal. And as explained in the daily time frame, the current price action has taken support on this support level of 1833, and the trend line is preventing the price action from falling further on the bearish trend reversal. But overall the current price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern, and midline of this bearish channel pattern is currently acting as a very strong resistance level. So the price action has to break this midline of the bearish channel pattern in order to start its bullish trend, but the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal will come only when it breaks this bearish channel pattern resistance line. And as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend. So next level of support is going to be 1760 from the daily time frame when it breaks this support level. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I've drawn several trend lines over here. Previously, this trend line has acted as a resistance line and took support on this support level of 1870, then bounced back on a bullish trend reversal. It is moving on a sideways, but gradually it is moving on a downtrend and it has not broken the previous highs, which means that the downtrend is still there. Only when the price action breaks the previous highs, we can expect the bullish trend reversal in hourly time frame also. Currently, this support level of 1833 is acting as a very strong support. Let us hope that price action bounces back from this support line on a bullish trend reversal. We have the midline of the bearish channel pattern running over here. It has to break this midline also in order to start its bullish side trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously it was trading inside a bearish channel pattern and it has taken support at the support level of 1832 and bounced back on a bullish trend reversal, breaking this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1870, which is from the daily time frame. In the past, we have noticed price action bouncing back from this resistance level. So as long as the price action doesn't break this resistance line, we can expect it to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. And if it doesn't break this support level, we can expect a sideways price action to start in 30 minutes time frame. And if it breaks this 1870 level, we can expect it to take resistance at the midline of the bearish channel pattern. Only when it breaks this midline, we can expect a bullish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame. For now, let us mark the support and resistance levels. These are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. The values in red color boxes are the higher time frame resistance and support levels. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or support line. Previously, the price action was in a bullish trend and we can notice that this level of 1857 is acting as a strong resistance level and it couldn't break this resistance level. Currently, we are noticing the retracement starting in 5 minutes time frame. But as long as it is trading above this trend line or support line, we can expect the price action to take support and bounce back on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Since this is a 5 minutes time frame, we can experience multiple trends in 5 minutes time frame. Please refer the higher time frame trends for deciding on your trade entry and exits. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.